Wait, that's not what I ordered. Really? What did you order?
I asked for grilled chicken, but they brought me fish.
Oh no, are you going to tell the waiter?
I want to, but I'm nervous.
Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say in English at a restaurant. Have you ever gone to a restaurant and didn't know what to say in English?
Maybe you didn't know how to order food,
Ask for the bill.
or even tell the waiter there was a mistake.
Today, we're going to practice all of that through one fun and natural conversation.
You'll learn useful English expressions you can actually use the next time you eat at a restaurant.
Ready?
Let's go.
This place looks nice.
Yeah, I've wanted to try it for weeks.
It smells amazing.
I'm already hungry.
Me too.
Good afternoon.
Welcome. How many people?
We'd like a table for 2, please.
Of course. Right this way. Thanks. The waiter leads them to a table. Here are your menus. I'll be back in a minute.
Thank you.
Wow, there are so many choices.
I know. Everything looks delicious.
I can never decide.
That's because you always read every single item.
I like to make the right choice.
By the time you finish reading, the restaurant will be closed.
Very funny. What are you thinking about getting?
Maybe the chicken burger.
Good choice. It comes with fries.
What about you?
I'm interested in the pasta.
Which one?
The creamy chicken pasta.
That sounds good too.
I can't decide.
Why don't we ask the waiter?
Good idea. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Could we ask a question?
Of course. What do you recommend? Our grilled chicken is very popular, and today's pasta is one of our best dishes.
That's helpful.
Thank you.
I think I'm ready.
Great.
I'll have the chicken burger, please.
Excellent choice. I'll have the creamy chicken pasta. Could I get it without mushrooms? Absolutely.
And can I have a lemonade?
Sure. I'll have iced tea. Anything else?
That's all for now.
Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes. Thank you.
That wasn't difficult.
Not at all.
Sometimes we worry too much.
Exactly. Most restaurant conversations are actually very simple.
So, what's the first thing you're gonna do after lunch?
Probably take a nap.
A nap?
Good food always makes me sleepy.
You're impossible.
What about you?
I have to finish some work later.
That's boring.
Someone has to be responsible.
And someone has to enjoy life.
I do enjoy life, just after I finish my work. Chicken burger and grilled fish. Thank you.
Excuse me? I think there's been a mistake.
I'm sorry?
I ordered the creamy chicken pasta. This looks like grilled fish.
Oh, you're absolutely right. I'm so sorry about that.
That's okay. Mistakes happen.
I'll bring the correct dish right away. You handled that really well.
Thanks.
You didn't sound rude at all.
There's no reason to be rude. A polite sentence works much better.
I need to remember that.
Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake.
That's an easy sentence to remember.
Exactly. Here's your creamy chicken pasta. I'm very sorry about the mix-up. No worries. Thank you so much. Enjoy your meal.
That looks much better.
Definitely. This is exactly what I ordered.
Mine looks delicious too.
Let's eat before it gets cold.
Good idea. Wow. This burger is amazing.
Really?
You should try a bite.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Thanks. You're right. It's really juicy.
Now let me try your pasta.
Go ahead.
Oh, wow. I think you chose the better meal.
Too late. No sharing now.
Hey, that's not fair.
I'm kidding.
The sauce is really creamy.
And the chicken is cooked perfectly.
I think I'll order this next time.
Good idea.
Excuse me, I think I need some ketchup.
Why?
I always eat fries with ketchup,
Even these fries?
especially these fries. Excuse me,
Yes?
could I have some ketchup, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
That was easy.
Much easier than saying, hey, ketchup.
Please don't ever do that.
I wouldn't. Hopefully.
Here's your ketchup.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Can I also have another glass of iced tea? Certainly. Anything else? That's all. I'll be right back.
I noticed something.
What?
You always say please and thank you.
Of course. Those two words can make a big difference.
They really do. People appreciate good manners.
Exactly. Here's your iced tea.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
So, do you usually eat out often?
Maybe once or twice a month.
Same here. I actually enjoy cooking at home.
Really?
What's your favorite dish to cook?
Pasta.
That's funny. You're eating a burger, but your favorite meal to cook is pasta.
Cooking and ordering are two different things.
Fair enough.
Are you thinking about dessert?
Maybe.
Don't tell me you're still hungry.
There's always room for dessert.
I don't know how you do it.
It's a special talent.
Or a superpower.
I'll take that.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. The chocolate cake looks amazing.
And the ice cream sounds good too.
Should we share one dessert?
That's a great idea.
Let's get the chocolate cake.
Perfect. Have you decided?
Yes. We'd like one slice of chocolate cake, please.
Excellent choice. Enjoy your dessert.
This looks incredible.
Let's try it. Wow, that's the best chocolate cake I've had in a long time.
I completely agree.
I think we made the right choice.
Definitely.
I'm full.
Me too.
I don't think I can eat another bite.
Same here.
Should we ask for the bill?
Yes. Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away. Here you are.
Thank you. Let's split the bill.
Sounds good. Thank you for coming. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Everything was delicious. We'll definitely come back. We'd love to see you again.
That was a great lunch.
And we practiced a lot of useful English.
Exactly. From asking for a table, to ordering food, to politely fixing a mistake.
Those are conversations you'll use in real life.
Now, let's review the most useful English expressions from today's conversation. Great job!
You just listened to a complete restaurant conversation.
And now, let's learn the most useful English phrases from today's dialogue.
These are expressions you'll hear in real restaurants.
Let's start with phrase number 1. Phrase: I'd like a table for 2, please.
Meaning, you use this when you arrive at a restaurant and need a table.
Example: I'd like a table for 4, please.
You can change the number depending on how many people are with you.
It's much more polite than saying, table for 2.
Always remember to say please. Phrase: what do you recommend?
Meaning, you're asking the waiter which food they think is the best.
Example: what do you recommend for dessert?
Or, what do you recommend for someone who likes spicy food?
This is a very natural question.
Phrase: I'll have.
Meaning, this is one of the most common ways to order food.
Example: I'll have the chicken burger.
Or, I'll have the pasta and a lemonade.
It's simple, it's natural, and very common.
Phrase: could I get it without mushrooms?
Meaning, you want to change something in your order.
Example: could I get it without onions?
Or, could I get it without cheese?
Restaurants hear requests like this every day. Don't be afraid to ask politely.
Phrase: Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake.
Meaning, something isn't correct. Maybe you received the wrong meal.
Example: Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake. I ordered pasta, but this is fish.
Notice something important. We didn't say, you gave me the wrong food.
That's right. The first sentence sounds much more polite.
Phrase: could I have some ketchup, please?
Meaning, you're asking for something extra.
Example: could I have another napkin, please?
Or, could I have some hot sauce, please?
This pattern works with many different things.
Phrase: Could we have the bill, please?
Meaning, you're ready to pay.
Example: Could we have the bill, please?
In American English, you might also hear, could we get the check, please?
Both are correct. Just remember, bill is more common in British English.
And check is more common in American English.
Phrase: Everything was delicious.
Meaning, you really enjoyed the food.
Example:
Thank you. Everything was delicious.
Restaurant staff always appreciate hearing that.
Here's a quick challenge.
Imagine you're in a restaurant. The waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?"
What would you say? Pause for 3 seconds.
You could answer, "Yes, I'll have the chicken burger, please."
Excellent. You're already practicing real English.
Now let's practice speaking together. Repeat after us.
Great job. Now it's your turn to speak.
Don't just listen. Repeat each sentence out loud.
Ready? Let's begin. Phrase number 1. I'd like a table for 2, please.
Great. Use this when you arrive at a restaurant. It's polite and natural.
Phrase number 2. What do you recommend?
Excellent. Ask this when you want the waiter's suggestion.
Phrase number 3. I'll have the chicken burger, please.
Nice. Just replace chicken burger with any food you want. For example, "I'll have the pizza, please," or "I'll have the salad, please."
Phrase number 4. Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake.
Perfect. This is a polite way to tell the waiter something is wrong.
Phrase number 5. Could we have the bill, please?
Amazing. Now you know how to ask to pay before leaving the restaurant.
Fantastic. Now let's see how much you remember.
It's quiz time. Question 1. You enter a restaurant. What should you say? A. I want food. B. I'd like a table for 2, please. C. Bring me the menu.
The correct answer is B. I'd like a table for 2, please. That's the most polite and natural answer. The waiter brings you the wrong meal. What should you say? A. This is wrong. B. You made a mistake. C. Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake.
The answer is C. Is polite and respectful. You're ready to leave. Which sentence is correct? A. I want to pay. B. Could we have the bill, please? C. Money now.
The answer is B. Could we have the bill, please?
Excellent work.
Before we finish, let's review today's expressions one last time.
I'd like a table for 2, please. What do you recommend? I'll have... Could I get it without... Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake. Could I have some ketchup, please? Could we have the bill, please? Everything was delicious.
If you can say those sentences confidently, you're already prepared for your next restaurant visit.
Now we have a question for you. Imagine you're at your favorite restaurant. What food would you order in English?
Write your answer in the comments. Try using today's phrases.
If this conversation helped you, please give this video a like.
And subscribe to English with Rosemary for more real English conversations every week.
Thanks for practicing with us today.
Keep speaking,
Keep learning.
and we'll see you in the next conversation. Bye.